Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called My Pteranodon Has a Sneeze by Elwyn Tate. My Pteranodon has a sneeze. Oh, what am I to do? He holds his nose, he curls his toes, and yells out, choo! My Pteranodon has a sneeze. His snout is red and sticky. His wings won't flap. His beak won't snap. My Pteranodon has a sneeze. He huffs and puffs all day. Honk. Archewy, blah choo, ah choo, ah choo, ah choo, choo, ah choo choo. I wonder if this problem will ever go away. He sneezes when we're on the train. Achoo. He sneezes on my airplane. He even sneezes when he snores. Achoo. He wakes all the other dinosaurs. He needs a nice and warm jacuzzi, says my stegosaurus Zuzi. He needs to spend some time in bed, says my woolly mouth friend. Oh dearie me, what can it be? What that's making you sneezy? We're all agreed it's plain to see you're feeling slightly queasy. There has to be a remedy to stop this sneeze of yours, but wait a sec, perhaps I'll check. My big book of dinosaurs. Read. Aha, that's it. I've worked it out. I know why, you poorly stout. It says on page 21, Pteranodons like lots of sun. If he's sneezing or his nose is runny, take this fellow somewhere sunny. So pack your bags, my dino friend, and soon you'll be on the mend to cure this sneezy situation. We're going off on a vacation. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Zoom, whoosh, swoop and soar, flying on a dinosaur. Off to the blue sky, off to sunny skies of blue. See you in a week or two. We've landed in a lovely spot. The sea is calm, the sun is hot. There are lots of things to see and do. We wish that you were with us too. My Pteranodon has no sneeze. He's much better than before, but the only problem now is my allosaur has lost his roar. Squeak. That's what I'm gonna read. This is my next book I'm gonna read. Well, not exactly next, but I hope you just give me a sec. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!